Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, a new minister in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, has embarrassed the BJP by using abusive language while on a campaign trail in poll-bound Delhi. Sadhvi Jyoti used an expletive. She worked a crowd in West Delhi. As she worked a crowd in West Delhi, the minister also took digs at Congress President Sonia Gandhi and her son-in-law Robert Vadra, who has been accused of making controversial land deals. The minister's rant has sparked a massive row, with opponents attacking the minister for sinking the level of political discourse. While the party is red-faced, the Sadhvi is out defending her rant.
नहीं आज आपने बोला, आपको माफी मांगने के लिए बोल रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल। मैम लेकिन बयान दिया है, आपको
कोई बयान नहीं, कोई बयान नहीं,
आपने जो रात में बोला
कोई बयान नहीं, नहीं किसी को नहीं।
भी राजनीतिक व्यक्ति को और संसदीय भाषा को नहीं प्रयोग करना चाहिए, न इसकी इजाजत होनी चाहिए। और प्रधानमंत्री जी को भी चाहिए अपने मंत्री को चीजें सिखाएं कि संसदीय भाषा का इस्तेमाल करें, जनता के बीच मृदुभाषी बने और वोट मांगने के जो तरीके वोट मांगने के तरीके इस्तेमाल करें, ज्यादा अच्छा होगा।
Ashar Ahmed Khan joins us live from the national capital. Ashar, afterwards, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti said not just as the opposition launched a direct attack on her, but also the BJP has been left red-faced. We understand that Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu is in fact meeting with her as we speak. Take us through the latest.
Well, this certainly did not go down well with the top leadership of the BJP, because these are the statements which certainly cannot be defended. In fact, so much so that even the highest quarters of the BJP have categorically stated that there is work which the government is doing, and all these statements take away from the good work which the government has been doing, and it diverts attention. So that is something which is being said to the minister as of now. In fact, what the leadership of the BJP is trying to say is that these are new ministers. They need to be taught how to behave themselves in public, and also such statements coming out in the open divert, as I said, the attention from the basic issue of governance which this government is providing to the citizens.
All right, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti has in fact taken back her statement in Parliament. She has issued an apology on the floor of the House. This after the BJP has in fact distanced themselves from the remark that she made, the unparliamentary language that she used. Ashar Ahmed Khan is still live with us. Ashar, the government at this point in time appears to be cornered after that booklet that was released by the Congress party on the U-turns that the government has made, and then statements like the one Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti made. Absolutely cornered government. They are trying to defend the indefensible.
Well, it is the government at the moment is in damage control mode. In fact, many within the government are also not defending the statement which was made by the minister. Now what they are saying is that an apology has been made by the minister. But yes, it was a very high-octane morning, so to speak, where the opposition parties all got together. First, it was Ashwini Kumar of the Congress party who went ahead and gave a notice in Rajya Sabha for the government to reply on the statement of the Sadhvi, and after that it was none other than the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi who took the booklet which was released yesterday, and with the MPs of his party from both the houses sat in front of the Gandhi statue. So a very high octane morning as far as the parliament is concerned. Right. And that is what we are seeing, that in the last 2 hours or so, the opposition getting together, putting the government in a corner.
Well, absolutely. While the opposition is in fact at this point in time appearing to corner the government, the BJP, Ashar, was in a huddle this morning led by the Prime Minister, and in an oblique reference to the controversial statement that was made by Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, we believe that the Prime Minister in fact cautioned all members of Parliament that they should refrain from such controversial statements, which would explain why the BJP has in fact distanced itself from this remark, and Sadhvi Jyoti of course apologizing on the floor of the House.
Well, absolutely. In fact, this was such a statement that nobody could have defended it. It was high time that there was an apology which was due from the minister, and that is what happened. In fact, in the BJP Parliamentary Party meeting, also the Prime Minister cautioning members of Parliament that controversial statements which are made divert attention from the work his government has been doing, and which is a fact. In fact, in the last 6 months or so, the BJP is having a dream run. It has done exceedingly well in 2 assembly elections, and after that, such statements definitely do not go down well as far as the image of the government and the image of the party
Absolutely.
is concerned. And especially when Sadhvi was inducted in the Council of Ministers, it is a choice which the BJP made in inducting her, and a minister in the Council of Ministers going out and making such statements does not augur very well for the party leadership.
Well, absolutely. Not just is Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti a member of parliament, she's also a minister in the Union Council of Ministers. It's important to note that. But, Ashar, at this point in time, the TMC has been resorting to innovative means of protesting on the floor of the House. We've seen black umbrellas, black shawls, red diaries. To top that, the Congress party now upping their game with the release of that diary. And now, a fresh controversy after what Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti said. So clearly, the BJP at this point in time needs to put its house in order. They need to strategize on how to counter opposition that's coming in from various quarters.
Well, you see, the fact of the matter is that the BJP and the government is very comfortable as far as numbers are concerned, unlike the previous government. It has brute majority in Lok Sabha. Now, these are minor aberrations which the opposition is trying to get to the government. Yes, they have succeeded today in the sense that the booklet was released yesterday, nothing happened. Today, with Rahul Gandhi coming out, there was a lot of pressure which was put on the government. Secondly, with the minister Sadhvi Jyoti making such a statement, the government was put on a back foot.
Right.
So these are the little spots which the opposition is looking for, little opportunities which the opposition is looking for to come and corner the government. And today it has succeeded. But yes, this is an aberration. It will blow off because the government is in majority is in brute majority
Right.
as far as Lok Sabha is concerned. As far
But
as Raj
Ashar,
Sabha
if we
is
could
concerned,
just talk about the Rajya Sabha for a minute, because while the BJP-led NDA government is comfortable in the Lok Sabha, it is in the Rajya Sabha that they are perhaps not as comfortable as they would like to be at this point in time. But the left parties, in fact, in the Rajya Sabha led a charge against the government. They've talked about the Prime Minister not being present in Parliament. So clearly, the government is battling it out, not just in the Lok Sabha but also in the Rajya Sabha.
Well, Raj Sabha is a different ball game for the government because it is certainly not in the majority there. The Congress is the single largest party, followed by other parties. But
Right.
yes, there is a lot of clever footwork which the government does in Raj Sabha and gets its way. We've seen that apart from the insurance bill, the government has been able to get all the bills it wanted from the Raj Sabha. But yes, there is a negotiation which is required. And the problem, as we were discussing just a short while back, is that when such statements are made, when such booklets are released, so all these things put together definitely make the task for the government slightly tough. And that is what happened today.
Right, which would explain why the government was in a huddle this morning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding that key meeting. Ashar, this clearly does appear to be now a concerted strategy by the government. As you've been telling us, they are currently in damage control mode. After that crucial meeting this morning, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti being summoned by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister in his chambers, and a short while after that issuing that statement in Parliament. So clearly, the NDA government at this point in time trying to get their house back in order.
Well, absolutely. Tuesday mornings is the scheduled meeting every Tuesday when the Parliament is in session. Morning at 9:30 a.m. the BJP Parliamentary Party meets. The Prime Minister, if he is in town, also attends it. Today was such a meeting, and it so happened that this statement was made last evening. So the Prime Minister had a chance to speak to all the MPs, and he also cautioned them that such controversial statements should not be made. And soon
Right.
after that, when the government saw that in both the houses notices have been given regarding the statement of the minister, it was very prudent and wise that damage control should be done, and this was possibly the best way to get the heat off the government, and temporarily they have succeeded.